So, here we go with pop. Pop the idle. Didn't like that, because it clearly didn't. Key out. Okay, so it is 1:08, and we're gonna go see if we can get this check engine light reset. Not misfiring. Check engine light solid, and see if we can go away without a misfire. Damn, now, yeah, fucking gas prices. Let's check. It looks steady. However, look, it's having fun.
Sure.
The silver car of love. Oh, sorry, I typically store them on the floor. So what do I actually have here? It says please wait.
I was telling you to start it, just rep. So basically all you do is just start it.
No. Do a demo.
Just do that a couple times. Just rev it. Not holding at 3,000 RPM.
Now if the light flashes, you want to try to stifle it by giving it a pop to the 3.
Yeah, so basically when the light's flashing, it's sensing that misfire, and it's thinking that it's a damaging misfire. It can damage the catalytic converter.
So
that's why it's
shutting
flashing
off the coil.
Yeah, and eventually when it starts to go solid, it just shut the coil off.